we continue trigonometry. Now we will be finishing more problems. Now let us see an important idea. Cot alpha minus beta you can get as 1 divided by tan alpha minus beta. So 1 divided by tan alpha minus beta is tan alpha minus tan beta by 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. So that 1 plus tan alpha tan beta goes to the numerator. Now you multiply numerator and denominator by cot alpha cot beta. You will see the result comes. Cot alpha cot beta into 1 is cot alpha cot beta plus cot alpha cot beta tan beta product is 1 divided by cot alpha and tan alpha vanish. So you get cot beta. That minus is there. Tan beta and cot beta vanish. Give you cot alpha. So cot of alpha minus beta is cot alpha cot beta plus 1 by cot beta minus cot alpha. Remember here it was alpha minus beta. Here in the result it is not alpha minus beta. It is beta minus alpha. Now if you put beta equals minus beta, you get cot of alpha minus beta is plus beta. So cot of alpha plus beta. Now cot of minus beta is minus. So that minus comes here. Minus cot alpha cot beta plus 1 divided by cot beta becomes minus cot beta. Already there is minus cot alpha. Now you multiply numerator and denominator by a minus 1. So that the result comes as cot alpha cot beta minus 1 by cot beta plus cot alpha. So try to remember these important formulae when required. Now we consider sine 3 alpha. You know 3 alpha is 2 alpha plus alpha. So sine of 2 alpha plus alpha. We apply the formula of sine. It is sine 2 alpha then cos alpha plus cos 2 alpha sine alpha. Now sine 2 alpha is 2 sine alpha cos alpha. Now cos 2 alpha has different values, but we take the value that contains sine because we are dealing with the sine. So we take the formula 1 minus 2 sine squared alpha then multiplied by sine alpha. Now here you can see cos squared alpha, cos alpha into cos alpha, that is 1 minus sine squared alpha. Now you see everything is in sine. So finally 2 sine alpha into 1, then 2 sine alpha into sine squared alpha, 1 into sine alpha, then minus 2 into sine squared alpha into sine alpha. So 2 sine alpha plus 1 sine alpha is 3 sine alpha and minus 4 sine cube alpha. So this is the formula for sine 3 alpha. Sine 3 alpha, 3 sine alpha minus 4 sine cube alpha. Now for cos 3 alpha, it is cos 2 alpha plus alpha. So it is cos 2 alpha cos alpha minus sine 2 alpha sine alpha. Now cos 2 alpha in terms of cosine is 2 cos squared alpha minus 1 into cos alpha minus sine 2 alpha is 2 sine alpha cos alpha into sine alpha. You see sine squared alpha is coming. That will be 1 minus cos squared alpha. So 2 cos squared alpha minus 1 into cos alpha minus 2 cos alpha multiplied by 1 minus cos squared alpha. So 2 cos squared alpha into cos alpha, then minus 2 cos alpha into minus cos squared alpha gives you 4 cos cube alpha. And minus cos alpha minus 2 cos alpha is minus 3 cos alpha. So cos 3 alpha is 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha. And you see the difference. In the case of sine, 3 minus 4 comes. In the case of cosine, 4 minus 3 comes. 3 along with sine, 3 along with cos. So that is the way in which the terms come. So try to remember this. Now we consider formula for tan 3 alpha. Now tan 3 alpha is tan 2 alpha plus alpha. That is tan 2 alpha plus tan alpha by 1 minus tan 2 alpha into tan alpha. Now if you call tan alpha equal to t, tan 2 alpha is 2 tan alpha by 1 minus tan squared alpha. So it is 2t by 1 minus t squared. That is for convenience. So tan 2 alpha is 2t by 1 minus t squared plus t divided by this line divided by 1 minus 2t by 1 minus t squared into t. Now you multiply numerator and denominator by 1 minus t squared. So that becomes 2t plus 2 into 1 minus t squared. Then 1 minus t squared minus 2 into t. Finally, 2t plus t, 3t minus t cubed by 1 minus 3t squared. Or it is actually 3 tan alpha minus tan cube alpha by 1 minus 3 tan squared alpha. So tan 3 alpha is of that shape. 3 tan alpha minus tan cube alpha by 1 minus 3 tan squared alpha. Try to remember this. Let us see a short method of getting the answers. Now here we have our thumb or fingers. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now 0 degree, below this there is none. So sine 0 is 0. And sine 0 is complement cos 90. Now for 30 degree, there is one finger line down. So root 1 by 2. For 30 degree, there is one finger down. So root 1 by 2. And that goes for cos 60. Now for 45, there are two fingers. So sine 45 is root 2 by 2. Two fingers, root 2 by 2. Or it is 1 by root 2. And sine 45 complement is cos 45. For 60 degree, there are 3. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And that complement is cos 30. Now for 90 degree, there are 4. So sine 90 is root 4 by 2 equals 1. Root 2 by 2 is 1, is cos 0. Now remember, you have to put a root and then divide it by 2. This gives you a short method. So you're looking at this, you can determine the formula for sine as well as cos. Once sine and cos comes, tan, secant, everybody will come. Now let us see some examples. Sine 9 pi plus pi by 3. 9 pi is actually 8 pi plus pi. 8 pi, we know 2 pi is one complete revolution. So 8 pi complete revolution, so it goes. So the result is simply pi plus pi by 3. And sine pi is on the x-axis. So that becomes same thing sine, and pi plus pi by 3 is in the third quadrant. So it is minus sine pi by 3. Sine 60 degree. Sine 60 is minus then root 3 by 2. Now cos 12 pi minus pi by 4. 12 pi is complete revolution. 6 times 2 pi. So it becomes cos of minus pi by 4. But cosine with the minus pi by 4 becomes cosine with pi by 4, because minus will not come in cosine. So cos pi by 4 finally is 1 by root. Tan 17 pi plus pi by 6. 17 pi is 16 pi plus pi. And 16 pi is complete revolution. You can remove complete revolution. So it is tan pi plus pi by 6. And tan pi plus pi by 6 is the third quadrant. It is tan pi by 6. And tan pi by 6, tan 30 degree is sine 30 by cos 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 is simply 1 by root 3. Answer comes. Now for sine 2550 degrees. Now we have to remove 360 degrees from 2550. We can remove 7 times 360 degree. And what remains there is simply 30 degrees. So the answer is sine of 30 degree, which is 1 by 2. So this is how you work out big angles. You convert it into 360 business and get the result. I think you will understand this. Let us try to remember the way in which the particular values are remembered, and then go through these formulae and results. Make sure that you appreciate and you understand mathematics. Once you start loving mathematics, mathematics will be the simplest. So try to have a love for mathematics. Best of wishes for all of you. Remember, please give this message to your friends so that many will get the benefit. Best of luck for all of you. Thank you.